Thank you for viewing this tutorial on the California Tribal Government Directory. This tutorial focuses on the versioning feature of the site, how to compare versions of changes, and how to roll back to previous versions. Once you have logged in, click on one of the tribe information icons to see your tribe or list of tribes. Click on the version icon for the tribe you wish to modify. The first column will show you a listing of the type of change that has been made. This will either be an edit or a rollback to a previous version. You will also see the date and time, who made the change, including a link to email that person, and the details of each change. By clicking on the details of the most recent change, you will be taken to a screen where you can see all of the tribal information, including the notification that this is the current version. But where you can really see the value of this tool is by selecting a previous version to compare it to. Select a previous date from the drop-down menu and click Go. Now you can see a side-by-side version of the two records. As you scroll down the page, any differences are highlighted. At the bottom, you can see that the current version submitted has been approved for publishing. Let's say that for whatever reason you have determined by comparing two date records that a rollback is necessary and you want to roll back to this December 22nd date. You would click back to return to the Change Item Details page, then once again to go back to the Change Log Listing page. Now you can select the December 22nd version, and you will see that you have the option to make this the current version. Click on it, and the data on the page will be rolled back to reflect that date. Of course, this change will have to be approved by the administrator. This concludes this tutorial on the California Tribal Government Directory. Thank you for watching.